Awesome! Look what happens when you eat garlic on an empty stomach. The ancient Egyptians used it freely, and athletes in the Olympics ate garlic to improve their fitness. Many recipes from the ancient Greeks include garlic for the treatment of infections, ailments, and physical weakness. Garlic has been food and medicine for many years. In Rome, the powerful gave garlic to the soldiers and the workers. Likewise, garlic was not confined to Europe. Ayurvedic doctors in India prescribe it for many diseases, including heart disease, and in Japan and China, since ancient times it was a remedy for artery pressure. Garlic has been used for medicinal purposes in most cultures throughout history, although in the West, in the middle of the century, it was ruled out in favor of pharmaceutical drugs. However, at present, the notion of biological garlic has gained many followers. One of the drivers of this rediscovery is the success of garlic in the fight against drug-resistant wound infections. Homemade garlic remedy. Ingredients: 1. 5 heads of garlic, peeled and separated on the teeth, about 40 teeth. 2. Turmeric powder. 3. Water. Indications: 1. Fill the jar with cloves of garlic and then pour the turmeric powder and mineral water. 2. Let the mixture infuse for several days before using, then stored in the refrigerator, where it will be kept for a year or more. 3. Fasting for maximum effectiveness. You have to use garlic to colds, fevers, infections, cuts and scrapes. Dose: half a teaspoon a day on an empty stomach as a tonic or preventive. For acute infections, take half a spoonful up to 6 times a day. As for why you should eat on an empty stomach, it is quite simple. When your stomach feels overwhelmed with food, it can be difficult for your body to process and absorb all the nutrients that food has to offer.